Ah, that satisfying pop. But what's really happening when you crack your knuckles? Inside your joints, there's a liquid called synovial fluid. It helps reduce friction between your bones and keeps your joints moving smoothly. When you stretch or pull a joint, you create space, and the pressure drops. This causes tiny gas bubbles in the fluid to burst, and that's the pop you hear. Good news. Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis, despite the myths. Studies have shown no link between the habit and joint damage. However, doing it too much might irritate your joints or weaken your grip strength over time. So, maybe don't overdo it. Now you know. Cracking your knuckles is more about gas bubbles than breaking bones. So, crack away, but responsibly. Did you learn something new? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.